people were still interacting with search in a very similar way to they were in the 90s. You type into a box, you get a bunch of results back. Your old kind of list page of results. Google would do some kind of customization there, but generally people were still, it's a fire and forget. You enter the query, you fire it away, and you get results back, and then you go on your merry way. Now, in 2023, people expect a very different kind of interaction from search. They expect having a conversation with the search engine. So it's not a fire and forget. It's, I'm going to ask it a question. I'm going to get a response. It's going to summarize the information for me, and then I'm going to ask follow-up questions, and so on and so forth. So rather than this sort of one-time interaction, it's very much a dialogue you're having with the search system.